Welcome to Motor Vista, where today we bring you the ultimate budget showdown. The brand new Dacia Sandero versus the ever-popular Renault Clio in an epic drag race battle. These two are among Europe's best-selling cars, but which one delivers the better punch on the strip? Let's find out. First, let's check out the stats. The Dacia Sandero we have here is powered by a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine pushing out around 90 horsepower with a 5-speed manual gearbox, tipping the scales at just under 1,050 kilograms. On the other side, the Renault Clio comes with a slightly more powerful 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 100 horsepower, paired with a smooth manual transmission and weighing in at roughly 1,100 kilograms. So, on paper, the Clio has a slight edge in power, but it also carries a bit more weight. Could that give the lighter Sandero an advantage off the line? Both cars are front-wheel drive, so expect some will spin action when they launch. Now, let's take a closer look at the designs. The Sandero keeps things simple yet modern, with a clean front grille and sharp LED lights, while the Clio takes a bolder approach with its signature C-shaped DRLS and sculpted lines, giving it a sportier vibe. Inside, the Sandero offers practical, no-frills comfort with a functional layout, while the Clio steps it up with a more premium cabin, digital driver's display, and a bigger infotainment system. But enough about looks. Let's hear them roar. The Sandero gives off a surprisingly punchy growl for a 1.0-liter engine, while the Clio's note is slightly deeper, hinting at its extra horsepower. Both sound eager, but sound alone doesn't win races. Time for race one, a standing quarter-mile drag. Engines revving, clutches ready, and they're off. The Sandero launches cleanly with minimal wheel spin, while the Clio hesitates for a fraction before surging forward. At the halfway mark, the Clio starts to close the gap with its extra power. But can it catch the lighter Sandero before the finish line? And across the line, it's close. Race to a rolling start from 30 miles per hour to 100 miles per hour. And this time the Clio uses its slight power advantage to edge ahead, showing its strength at higher speeds. But we're not done yet. Let's see how they stop. From 70 miles per hour, both cars slam the brakes hard. And here the lighter Sandero surprises us with a slightly shorter stopping distance, proving that weight matters when it comes to safety. So, what's the final verdict? The Clio wins the rolling race and feels a bit more refined, while the Sandero impresses with its agility, braking, and unbeatable value for money. Starting around £13,000 for the Sandero and £17,000 for the Clio, both are fantastic choices in their segment. But which one would you pick for your next car? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe, because Motor Vista has more epic comparisons and drag races coming up every time.